The Federal High Court in Abuja has adjourned till 28th March for ruling on the bail application filed by suspended Deputy Commissioner of Police Abba Kyari and 4 other police officers on charges of dealing in cocaine. On 8th of March, Mr. Kyari and 4 other police officers had pleaded not guilty to 8-count charge to conspiracy, obstruction and dealing in cocaine worth 17.55 kilograms and unlawfully tampered with 21.25 kilograms worth of cocaine, while co-accused Chibuna Patrick and Emeka Ezenwanne pleaded guilty to 3 out of the 8-count charge against them. Abba Kyari is also being charged with the obstruction of justice through attempted bribery of NDLEA officers. All right, TVC News correspondent Celestina Ira joins me now from Abuja to bring us up to speed with this. Celestina, it's good to have you join us now. What is new about the case against Abba Kyari and the bail application?
Okay, well, on the 28th of March, the court will rule on the bail application filed by Abba Kyari and 4 other police officers. They ought to be 5, but the 12 defendants filed bail applications while the prosecution responded with the counter affidavit. But the counsel to the defendant noted that he just served with the counter affidavit of the prosecution, and he will need time to go through the counter affidavit and give a response. So he actually got the court to grant him a short adjournment for him to be able to file a response to the prosecution's counter affidavit. But also, the NDLA served the 4th and the 5th defendants with their counter affidavits to their bail application in court. But their lawyer was very quick to respond orally, and when he said that they being in the custody of the NDLA will not do justice to their case because they need time to connect with and interact with their lawyers to be able to produce a good defense. Documents or documents they can also bring before the court to help their case. They need to be able to do that within the confines of the NDLA. They will not be sober and they would not be in the right frame of mind to do justice to their case. So the court adjourned to the 28th of March to rule on the bail application of the 1st, 2nd, 4th, and 5th defendants.
All right, give us little information. We understand that co-accused to Abba Kyari, Chibuna Patrick and Emeka Ezenwanne had pleaded guilty to about 3-count charge. Can you give us more details in that regard?
Okay, the 2 co-accused, they are non-police officers, and we're meant to believe that they were key in this very case, as they were said to be the alert drug traffickers. The last adjourned date was their arraignment. They pleaded guilty to all 3-count charges out of the 8-count charge as it pertains to them. What this means is that will the court just summarily sentence them to the enter the plea of guilt, or will the court wait till the case is decided before delivering judgment as to their own case? But that was an issue in the court, and the court adjourned from the 28th of March still to review the propriety in the facts of the case of the 6th and 7th defendants. If that is allowed, what this means is that the 6th and the 7th defendants be made to give their testimony as to what transpired and how the drugs came into the country, or if Nigeria was a transit country for the illicit drugs, and what they were going to do. And in that instance, names may be called, and which will also jeopardize the case of the 1st to the 5th defendant, because the trial has not even commenced. The 6th and the 7th defendant can say, okay, we give this person money or we give this person this drug, but these persons have not even opened their defense. So which means it's likely to paint in the mind of the judge what he needs to expect. So and the answer to the senior to Mr. Kyari, senior lecturer of Nigeria, Kanwag, he made it known that if the 6th and the 7th defendants are made to review the case, it will be prejudicial to the case of the 1st to 5th defendants. So they were in court today, but for the review could not go on because the prosecution noted that they've not been served with a response from Kyari and his lawyer.
Okay.
So if the court should review the propriety of the case, if it's 6 and 7 defendants.
All right. Thank you very much, Celestina Ira, for bringing us up to speed on that. Our correspondent from Abuja, letting us know the latest regarding the allegations against Abba Kyari and his co-accused.